Welcome to True Ekklesia Street Ministry, a Holy Spirit Assembly's daily prayer. Subscribe our channel for daily prayers. Huggin' Corner. Today's verses is Exodus 34 verses 6 to 7. Describes God's character and attributes. The meaning of above verses of Exodus 34 verses 6 to 7 indicates that God is loving and forgiving, yet just and righteous. We are approaching new times. God's world, changing times. Be kind to everyone. God bless everyone. If no one has sent you a hug today, let me be the first. Check out our website, www.standrewscyc.com and www.trueecclesia.com. Join us.